How to create a ticket in ClickUp 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a ticket in ClickUp. So to simply do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your desired project space, okay? And once you're over here, you're simply going to go over to this section, click on Add Task, okay? And you can choose to add whatever information you want. Like, let's say I'm going to call this design, okay? And you can go ahead and write any description for it, like create a design for this software. Okay, we're gonna write in something like that. Click on create task, and that is basically your ticket created on ClickUp. That is how simple it is. Now you can also choose other ticketing softwares like Zendesk or any other CRM platform, and you can integrate them by simply going over to this section, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding applications, okay? And you can choose to add them through the App Center for yourself if you want to. So if you go over to the App Center, you have tons and tons of different applications over here. You can also use Zapier for yourself to create those automations through the different applications that you have, or you can use Zendesk's very own sync for those ticketings. But this is generally how you do it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.